Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use sort by function with unique. So if you want to learn how to use sort by function with unique, this video will show you how to do it. So this is the table I have created: product, pen, chair, laptop, table, and this is their category. I want to just sort this category in ascending order, means A to Z, and also find out unique. Okay, so how to do it? Here you will see category option. Just click on that where you want to just use sort by function with unique. Click equals to, type sort by, now bracket open. Now again you have to type unique. Now choose the column, bracket close, comma, again unique. Now again choose this category, bracket close, comma. Now I want to arrange the ascending order, bracket close. So this is how you can use this category sort by function with unique. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.